Every few decades, a new technology completely changes the world, from electricity to the internet, from smartphones to artificial intelligence. Now, another wave is coming. It's called quantum computing, and it might become the biggest leap in human technology yet. Welcome to Finance Flicks Hub, the channel where we break down complex financial trends, future tech, and market opportunities, all in simple, smart, and actionable ways. Today, we're diving deep into quantum computing, what it is, why it matters, and how it could reshape the global economy. We'll explore the 3 layers of quantum investing, the companies leading the race, and how you can position yourself before this trillion-dollar wave hits. 1. The quantum countdown, why now matters. In 2025, the CEO of Rigetti Computing said that true quantum advantage, the moment quantum computers outperform classical supercomputers, is just 4 years away. That's not just a technical milestone, it's a turning point for industries like medicine, where new drugs could be discovered in days instead of years. Finance, where portfolio risks could be modeled instantly. Energy, where materials for cleaner batteries and fusion tech could be designed with quantum precision. In short, the clock is ticking. Investors now have a 4-year window to position themselves before quantum computing becomes mainstream. 2. The quantum trinity, 3 layers of opportunity. The quantum world can be understood in 3 main layers, each offering a different kind of opportunity. The infrastructure layer, companies already earning money today by building the hardware, cloud systems, and tools that quantum computing depends on. The pure play builders, companies developing actual quantum processors and machines. The penny dreamers, small innovators taking big bets on unproven but potentially revolutionary technologies. Let's go layer by layer. A. Infrastructure layer, profiting before quantum arrives. These are the safe bets. They earn revenue now and will benefit even more once quantum scales. 1. Nvidia, NVDA. Nvidia isn't just a chip maker, it's the powerhouse of modern computing. Its tools like QQuantum, QDAC, and DGX Quantum help researchers simulate quantum circuits up to 100 times faster, even better. Every quantum computer still needs Nvidia GPUs to run simulations and training workloads. Why it matters. Nvidia wins no matter how long it takes for quantum computing to mature, because every stage of progress uses its hardware. 2. Microsoft, MSFT. Through Azure Quantum, Microsoft gives researchers access to multiple quantum machines, including IonQ and Rigetti, all through one platform. Its business model focuses on results over raw computing power. That means clients pay for solutions, not for just running code. Plus, with recent breakthroughs in error correction, Microsoft could play a central role in making quantum computers reliable. Why it matters. Microsoft doesn't just build, it connects the whole ecosystem, becoming the marketplace of quantum computing. 3. Google is advancing quantum error correction, which is the holy grail for making stable quantum systems. Its Willow chip achieved record-breaking reliability, while its spin-out, Sandbox AQ, works on quantum security and AI simulations, products already generating revenue. Why it matters? Google is merging cutting-edge science with real-world business models, a combination that defines long-term winners. 4. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon's AWS Bracket gives access to 6 major quantum hardware providers. Each quantum experiment run on AWS requires hundreds of traditional servers, meaning Amazon profits even before quantum goes mainstream. Its GB300 supercluster connects thousands of Nvidia GPUs for hybrid workflows, blending classical and quantum tasks. Why it matters. Amazon earns consistent cloud revenue while quietly positioning itself for the quantum cloud era. 5. IBM is a true veteran in this field. It's building Quantum System 2, which connects multiple 133 qubit processors. Its open-source software, Qiskit, has 450,000 developers, and over 500 companies use IBM's quantum network to explore real-world use cases. Why it matters. IBM's strategy combines enterprise clients with open innovation, giving it a head start in commercialization. Infrastructure summary. These five giants form the foundation of the quantum industry. They make profits, now innovate constantly, and will dominate the early wave of adoption. B. Pure play builders, the future makers. These companies are fully dedicated to building real quantum machines. They're high risk, but their potential returns are massive. 1. IonQ. IonQ. IonQ is the first quantum company integrated with both AWS and Azure. Its trapped ion technology is more stable and accurate than most competitors. In mid-2025, IonQ demonstrated a 20x improvement in drug simulation speed. Why it matters? If IonQ maintains its lead, it could become the chip factory of the UI quantum era, similar to what TSMC is for traditional chips. 2. Rigetti Computing, RGTI. Rigetti uses modular chiplets that can scale quantum systems faster. Its fidelity rates hit 99.5%, making it one of the most accurate quantum platforms to date. Backed by DARPA, the US Air Force, and UK government, Rigetti enjoys strong institutional credibility. Why it matters? Rigetti's full-stack control, from design to fabrication, gives it serious long-term potential. 3. D-Wave, QBTS. D-Wave focuses on quantum annealing, a different approach that already solves real optimization problems today, like delivery routes, scheduling, and logistics. Its revenue jumped 289% year over year, with clients like NASA and Amazon already on board. Why it matters? D-Wave's tech may not be universal quantum, but it's practical, proven, and already making money. See Penny Dreamers, the quantum wildcards. These are small, high-volatility companies that could 10x or crash, depending on whether their innovations succeed. Quantum Computing Inc., QUBT, works on photonic quantum chips that operate at room temperature. SealsQ LAES. Builds post-quantum security chips for the next generation of encrypted devices. Arqit ARQQ. Develops quantum. Safe encryption systems for government and telecom use. MicroCloud Hologram, HOLO. Experiments with holographic simulations and spin-based qubits, highly speculative, but with cash reserves to keep innovating. Why it matters? Small firms often drive major breakthroughs. One success here could be worth dozens of failures. D. Safer entry, the quantum ETF, QTUM. For investors who want exposure, without betting on individual winners, the Defiance QTUM ETF includes 77 companies involved in quantum and next-gen computing. It's safer, but offers slower growth, ideal for diversified, low-risk portfolios. Why it matters? It's a set-it-and-forget-it option for long-term exposure to the entire quantum trend. E. The market outlook. By 2035, the global quantum computing industry could reach $1 trillion in value. Estimated market share, infrastructure layer, $70 billion pure builders, $25 billion penny innovators, $5 to $10 billion a balanced portfolio could generate 2.5x to 3.5x returns conservatively and up to 20x or more in a breakthrough scenario. Key takeaway. The opportunity isn't just about one company. It's about positioning across the entire ecosystem, from hardware to software to security. F. The future belongs to the prepared. Quantum computing isn't just another tech trend. It's a paradigm shift, a change in how humanity processes information. Every major player, from Google to IBM, is investing billions, because they know that whoever leads in quantum computing could reshape the global economy. So whether you're an investor, a researcher, or just curious about the future, the time to understand this space is now. Ending, and that wraps up today's deep dive into the quantum computing revolution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finance Flicks Hub, where we turn financial complexity into clear opportunity. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future doesn't wait. The smart investors don't either.